Well, I believe in birds. Well, let me tell you a story, mate. I was out walking this morning on the sidewalk. I was just minding my own business, and all of a sudden I felt something on my feet. I looked down, a little baby bird there. Felt like a little grape. Not one little peep out of the bugger. So nah, I don't think birds are real. Not one little cheep.
So far, we've found no one who believes or is intrigued by the birds aren't real theory. However, I happened upon the Facebook page and found a rather peculiar individual.
Now's not a good time to fix that thing.
Are you sure? Yeah, we'll go ahead.
Hi, I'm Ron Johnson with Budgie TV. Quarantine has given me a lot of time to think about the crazy theories and conspiracies that people come up with in their spare time, like how birds are real. We're here out on the streets interviewing people about the birds aren't real theory to see how many people believe in it. Excuse me, sir. Do you believe that birds are real?
Yeah, I do.
What if I told you that birds are actually robots piloted by the government to spy on us?
That's insane.
Hello there. Ooh. Do you believe in birds?
Yes,
Do you believe that birds are real?
I do. Yeah.
Let me ask you. Do you believe that birds are actually robots deployed by the government to spy on us?
No.
No? No bird believer, no non-bird believers.
No non-robot. bird
No robots.
believers. No robots.
No robots. We have no robots.
Yeah. What is it?
Hi, it's Ron Johnson from Budgie TV. I'm here for the interview.
Oh, yeah. You're the guy. Hang on 1 second. Yeah, come on in. Come on. I'm expecting you.
So when did you come to the realization that birds aren't real?
Well, it's probably about 7 days ago. So last week I came to this realization, and I thought about this because in 1957, during the Eisenhower administration, using stolen technology from Nazi Germany, they perfected it and they drained all vitality out of the birds and used it to create animatronics so that they can spy on everybody.
So why would you think that the government would need bird drones anyway?
All right.
Now it is.
So, I mean, if you want to look back even further, we have instances, say, former President JFK. He sent a man to the moon, And we all know what happened there. You know, man on the grassy knoll, or should I say, man on the grassy perch.
So, in regards to everything you just said, would you say there's any good news to come out of the government using drones?
Well, there's no such thing as good news, only bad news and weird news.
Do you think the government needs to keep secrets?
I don't think we need secrets in this world. I mean, for instance, I'm just going to tell you this. Inside of me, there's a woman screaming to be heard. You know, screaming. See? Right there, that's what I'm talking about. Doesn't that kind of look... So that's what I'm talking about. Power lines going right through the nest right there. Tell me that doesn't look like a charging station to you?
So Thomas says he's found some proof that birds aren't real. So we're going to take a little trip with him and see if he's right.
Alright, come on, I got something to show you.
So, what do you think we're going to catch the birds with?
Drones, please. Don't demean my profession. Hang on, like, get down. It's right over here. So look at this. This is what I've been telling you about. It's nothing but wires. And a microphone. Am I crazy now? What? See? Nothing but government puppets. Nothing inside of them. Just microphones and wires. Do you believe me now?
Well, we sure have seen a lot today, haven't we? Are birds real, or are they not? Who's to say? What do you think?
Oh, that's my dad. Oh, that's my dad. Yeah. I'm a bird, I'm a bird. Look at